Hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So I hope you all are doing great. So guys, in last video what I have discussed that was how we are going to monetize our YouTube channel in very quick time, right? So that video will helpful for those guys who wants to open new YouTube channel, right? And how they're going to monetize his channel in quick time, right? But that was the completely non-technical discussion. But today what I'm going to start, that is completely technical discussion only, just like our collection topic, right? But today what I'm going to start, that is completely new brand series of one of the topic. That topic name is it's very important. The topic name is multi-threading. What is multi-threading? This topic is very important for as per your requirement of Java implementation, and second, to the interview point of view. Suppose if you are going to attend any interview, definitely the interview may ask the question related to the multi-threading. Definitely guys, I am giving assurance to you. If you are going to attend any interview, definitely the interview will ask some question related to the multi-threading. So both the way, if you are going to implement in Java implementation as per your project requirement, that time also along with to the interview point of view. In both the way, this topic is very important. So please concentrate. And the guys who came first time in our YouTube channel, so please like, share, subscribe, and please watch the video from starting to end. Don't skip. If you are freshers, or also if you are intermediate level, okay, so if you are going to follow the entire series of this video, means multi-threading, definitely you will become a master of the multi-threading. Right? So guys, please watch the video very carefully or effectively. Don't skip any moment. If you skip, so you will can't understand complete what? Complete topic. That's why I will suggest you, please watch the video from starting to end without skipping. Right? So guys, in multi-threading concept, always we are hearing, right? So what is thread, right? And also before explaining the thread, I will show you what topic we are going to cover in this video. So in this video guys, I am going to cover what is thread, explanation with real-time example, what is multitasking, how multi-threading is similar as multitasking, and what is single modal thread with example. These all 5 points I am going to cover. So please concentrate. Don't skip the video and listen very carefully. Definitely guys, I am giving assurance it will helpful for you. And it's help you a lot for your knowledge. Okay, it will boost your knowledge guys. So many candidates are confused once the interviewer is going to start multi-threading. Once the interviewer asks, do you know multi-threading? So many candidates very hesitate, very confused. What type of question they may ask. Okay, so don't confuse guys. So what I'm going to explain here, if you will follow the entire video, okay, so definitely your fear will be completely what? Removed. Okay, so you don't have any confusion, right? So guys, so in multi-threading concept, right, always we are hearing, right, what is thread, always we are hearing only about the thread. So guys, first I will explain what is thread. If anyone asking about a thread, so you can what? Blindly you can give the answer what? Thread is nothing, it is a process. What? Thread is a nothing, it is a process only guys. So it is a lightweight process, and process is also one a lightweight. What is it? Is lightweight process in it, and itself it's called a thread. So let a process called a thread guy. Thread is nothing, it is a process, and this process is a lightweight. Correct? I have understood. Anyone, anytime, if asked what is thread, you just reply to them very confidently. What? Thread is a nothing, it is a process, but also this process is very lightweight. Good. I hope you understood. Good. So guys, in earlier system, we were using mono processing. Mono processing means what? Single process system. Single process system means how many processes are executing at a time. At a single moment, how many processes are going to execute. So guys, only one process able to execute at a time. That is, it's called what? Mono processing, means single processing system. But nowadays guys, everything is multi-processing. Nowadays everything becomes what? Multi-processing. Means what? More than one task executing at a time. What? More than one task are going to execute at a single moment, right? So now here guys, before going to discuss about thread, first of all, can we please check what is single thread concept? What is single thread concept? So this single thread concept I will explain with a simple example. Simple example, right? So can you please guys observe my screen? Okay. So guys, so this is our what topic is what? Multi-threading in Java, right? So what is multi-threading in Java? Correct? This is our guys topic. Correct? So guys, what I have told you. So how we'll see first single thread concept. So we'll see without multi-threading or with multi-threading how this process is going to happen. Okay, how this process is going to happen guys. Just concentrate here guys. Concentrate very carefully guys. Okay. So guys, you know very well, right? So in our computer system, we have so many gaming applications, right? So many gaming applications. So among that, one application is guys, gaming application, that name is called guys, NFS. Might most of the person what aware about the NFS, right? NFS is a what? Application. NFS is a gaming application guys. What? NFS is a gaming application guys. NFS what? It's a gaming application. Gaming, that is guys gaming application, right? Most of the person aware about this game guys, right? Good. So guys, NFS is a gaming application. So guys, you know, right? So in this NFS, so many cars are moving, right? So many cars are moving here and there, right? Suppose this is a car 1. Suppose this is a car 2. Suppose this is a car 3. This is a car 4. Suppose guys, these all 4 cars are moving. So you can represent first what is this first, right? So guys, so this one, so this one, so this one. These all are guys car only. What? These all are car only. So you can write here car 1. This is guy car 1. This is guy car 2. This is guy car 3. And guys, this is car 4. Okay. So guys, these all are the cars only. What? These all are the cars only. So in NFS game, multiple cars are moving. What? Right? So guys, this example, what I'm going to explain here, this is without multi-threading. Without multi-threading, right? So guys, you know, right? So without multi-threading means what? So one, if this car one is going to start, or it started, suppose if this car is started, so once it will complete their task, if complete their task, only the car 2 will start, right? If car 2 the task will complete, then car 3 task will start. Once car 3 task will complete, then car 4 what will start? Yes or no? So guys, you can assume, right, in this screen, right? So this is the without multi-threading. Without multi-threading is what? So what happened? One car is moving. Suppose car 1 is moving, right? So once first car task is complete, only the second car task will start, right? So simultaneously car 3, car 4 as well. So guys, this is NFS game without multi-threading. What I have told you. So you can write here also for understanding purpose. What? See, once car first what task is complete, task is what complete, then what car second will start to this task, right? To their right. Once car 1 task is complete, then car 2 will start to their task. Yes or no? That is guy car 1. Same as guy, once the car 1 task is complete, then car 2 will start. Yes or no? Then 3, then 4. So that is guy NFS game application without multi-threading. What? So this NFS game without multi-threading concept game. It's very simple. So guys, can we apply same thing with using multi-threading? Same thing can we apply with multi-threading? Tell me guys. Yes, obviously we can apply in multi-threading as well. So guys, in multi-threading, more than one thread running simultaneously means at a time. Yes or no? Guys, same thing. So you can see here. So you can assume here. You can assume here. This is guys with multi-threading. With multi-threading, suppose if you have car 1, this is car 2, car 3 and car 4, right? So guys, so each and every car, right? This is car 1, car 2, what? Car 3, car 4, right? Yes or no? Correct? So guys, what is this one? Car 1, right? Car 1. This is what? Car 2. This one, car 3. And this one, guys, car 4, right? So guys, this time we are using with multi-threading. So guys, see, each and every car, what? Means more than one car, yes or no? Car 1, car 2, car 3, car 4. So we have more than one car. Okay, so each and every car, you can assume guys, this is one thread. This is one thread. What I have told, what is thread? Thread is a nothing, it is process. Process means how you are going to perform a task, right? So that it's, so car 1, car 2, car 3, car 4, each and every car, what? Individually thread, right? So it can't be wait. So car 1 will complete his task, then will start. So car 2 will not, means car 3 is not waiting to complete car 2 task. Car 4 is not waiting car 3 task, right? So each and every car are moving simultaneously, right? So each and every car moving continuously, right? Right. So guys, that is multi-threading. That is multi-threading. Yes or no, guys? So guys, keep in mind, multi-threading means multi-threading what is very important for the gaming application. So guys, keep in mind what multi-threading concept is very important for the gaming application. Correct? So guys, means what? Like video games, like video games. In their video games, right? You know, right? So multiple objects are moving at a time. Might be you have seen, right? Might be you have seen in gaming, in video games. So number of objects are moving, means multiple objects are moving at a time. Yes or no? That is guy with the help of multi-threading concept only. This is due to multi-threading concept only, guys. So guys, before starting deep dive in the multi-threading, we should know about first multitasking. What? I will explain multi-threading as well, but before explaining the multi-threading, we should know, right, what is multitasking. What is multitasking? Because from everyone you may listen multitasking, right? Definitely you have what heard about with so many people about the multitasking. So first I will explain what is multitasking, right? So guys, here multitasking is not a great one, right? Multitasking is not a great one in our multi-threading, but anyhow, knowledge sake, we need to know what is multitasking. Then we are what? We are easily correlated with the multi-threading. If you know the multitasking, then in very simply we can correlate with the multi-threading concept. Then you'll come to know, yes Amit, why you explained multitasking before. Why you explain multitasking before, right? Before explaining the what? Multi-threading. So that's why guys, I will explain first what is multitasking. So guys, simple, just keep in mind. So executing more than one task at a time is called multitasking. What? Executing, also I can write here. What? I can write here. What? I can write here what? What is multitasking, right? See guys, multitasking means what? Executing more than executing what? More than what? One task, right? More than one task at a time, right? What? Called multitasking. Yes or no? Correct. So executing more than one task at a time, what is called multitasking. Right? So guys, I will explain some example. Yes, then you'll come to know. So guys, best example of multitasking means what? You know, where we do our, suppose if you are doing coding, suppose if you do our coding, what? If you are doing our coding, right? Java code we are doing, right? So guys, simultaneously, if we may listen MP3 song, right? Suppose if you are doing our Java coding, so in same time, if you are going to listen what? MP3 song, okay? Or this is one task, right? So two tasks now, right? So one task you are doing coding, Java coding, and second task you are listening MP3 song, along with you are downloading some document, some file, right? That means what? You are performing three tasks, right? So Java coding, listening MP3, and downloading some file, right? Yes or no, guys? So you are doing what? Three tasks. You are doing three tasks simultaneously. Yes or no? So guys, simply we can say, right, executing multiple tasks simultaneously called multitasking. What? In simple word, what we can say, guys, executing multiple tasks simultaneously called a multitasking, right? So guys, in multitasking, each and every task are separate independent process. Tell me yes or no. So guys, what I have told you, so we are going to perform three tasks, right? So three tasks means what, guys? Three tasks means, guys, so doing what? Doing Java code, doing Java code. Second thing, listening what? Listening what? MP3 song. Yes or no? MP3 song. Correct. Then you are doing what? Downloading some file. What? Downloading what? Downloading some document. Yes or no? So you are performing three tasks. You are performing three tasks. So what I have told you, so in multitasking, each and every task means, guys, this is task 1, this is, guys, task 1, right? This is task 1, and this is what? Task 2. Yes or no? This is task 2, correct? And guys, this is, guys, task 3. Tell me yes or no. This is task 3. So what I have told you, each and every task are separate. Yes, that means independent, right? So simply we can say, in multitasking, each and every task are separate independent process, right? It's called multitasking. It's called multitasking. Why? Because Java coding is not depend upon the listening MP3. Listening MP3 not depend upon the downloading some file. So each and every task are what? Independent, separate, right? That's why it is called multitasking. It is called multitasking. So guys, one thing also I would suggest, what I am going to explain here, if you may what? Note down in your notebook. If you may note down in your notebook, definitely, which will helpful to you what? Remember in future. Which will helpful for you remember in future. Correct? So it's I'm requesting, I'm suggesting you, it up to you how you're going to remember in future as well. So guys, after discussing multitasking, we'll discuss our main concept, that is multi-threading. So with multitasking, I will correlate how multitasking is same as what? Multi-threading. Already I have mentioned one point here, guys. I hope you have seen. So how multi-threading is similar as multitasking. See guys, this thing already have covered. What is thread? Already have covered. So thread is a what? It's nothing. It is a what? Process. It's a lightweight process. Explanation with real-time example I have told you guys with NFS game. So with or without multi-threading, how card is moving, right? How this object is moving, how this thread is moving, right? What is multitasking? Already explained you. So multitasking what? Is executing multiple tasks simultaneously called multitasking, right? So now what I'm going to explain, guys, how multi-threading is similar as multitasking, right? How multitasking is similar as a multi-threading. Great, guys. So guys, so now our main motto is what? What is multi-threading? See guys, in multi-threading also concept is same as multitasking. So guys, as per definition, what we can say, so what? Multi-threading is what? Executing more than one thread. More than one thread. And what is thread, guys? Thread is a process. What I have told you, first, what is thread? So thread is a process. It is nothing, it is a process. And the process is very lightweight, right? The process is very lightweight. So now what our definition of multi-threading is what? So multi-threading definition is what? Executing more than one thread. So executing more than one process, right? Just I'm going to correlate. So multi-threading means what? Executing more than one thread means executing more than one process at a time, means what? Simultaneously, right? Executing more than one thread at a time, what? That is called what? Multi-threading. Correct? Executing more than one thread, yeah, one process at a time, that is called what? Multi-threading. Correct? So just get, just like that, just come here. See guys, see, this is T1, this is T2, this is T3, this is T4, this is T5. Assume these all are the guy tasks, these all are the thread, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5. These all are the thread. And what I have told you, thread is a process, right? Thread is a process. So these all are what? Independent or separate process. Yes or no? These all are independent or separate process. Correct? So guys, in multi-threading, each and every what? In multi-threading, each and every thread means T1 to T5. So each and every thread is a separate independent part. Yes or no? What I have told you? In multi-threading, each and every thread is a separate independent part because thread T1 is not depend on the thread T2. Similarly, T2 is not interdependent on the T3. T3 is not interdependent upon the T4. T4 is not interdependent on T5. Just like multitasking, already I have shown you. So doing Java code is not dependent upon the listening MP3. Listening MP3 is not dependent upon the downloading some document. Same guy. So task 1, task 2, task 3. Just like a thread. Thread 1, thread 2, thread 3, thread 4, thread 5. So each and every thread is separate independent part because each and every thread are not dependent upon the each other. So guys, important things note. So each and every thread is separate independent process of same application. What? Keep in mind guys, what I'm telling you here. So this is a very important point. Important point. What is important point guys? Each and what? Each and every what? Thread is separate independent process of same application. Yes or no? What guys? So important is what? Each and every thread is separate independent process of same application. Correct? Yeah? Same application. Correct? What already I have explained. So in multi-threading, each and every thread is what? Separate independent part of the same application. Correct? So guys, this is called multi-threading. This is called multi-threading. So you can take now NFS. Now you can take NFS game. What already I have discussed earlier. So guys, car 1, car 2, car 3, car 4. Right? So car 1, car 2, car 3, car 4. Just go there. See guys. Car 1, car 2, car 3, car 4. Right? Yes or no? So here, how many cars are there guys? 4 cars are there, right? 4 cars are there. So all cars are moving at a time. Yes or no? All cars are moving at a time. Yes or no? Just like what? Doing the Java code, listening the music, downloading the file. So each and every task are performing same time. Yes or no? So we are going from same time. So we are listening music also, downloading file also, doing Java code also. Same way guys, here also multi-threading. So if you have multiple object, means carbon, car 2, car 3, car 4, so each and every car are a separate independent process, yes or no? So here each and every cars are a separate independent process, and the process just belongs to a thread, right? So each and every car just like a thread. Each and every car is just like as a thread, T1, T2, T3, T4. So tell me guys one thing here. So each and every car is separate independent process of same NFS game or not? See guys, how I'm going to explain. If you will listen very carefully, so your multi-threading concept becomes very easy guys. So tell me guys one thing here. So each and every car is separate independent process of same NFS application or not? So guys, that is called multi-threading. So guys, that is called multi-threading. I hope you people are with me for understanding about multi-threading. Great guys, I hope now you don't have any confusion about the multi-threading. If anyone asks about the what is multi-threading, so you can tell what very easily. What multi-threading means? What? Executing what? Multiple tasks simultaneously, called what? Multi-threading. Or you can say what? Executing more than one thread at a time is called what? Multi-threading. And in multi-threading, each and every thread is a separate independent part of the same application. Correct? Correct guys? So I can write here multi-threading definition one more time. Multi what guy? Multi-threading definition. Guys, tell me what is multi-threading definition. So guys, executing what? Executing more than what? One thread at a time. Guys, thread means don't confuse. Just I'm writing here also. It's a process. It's a process. So executing more than one thread per process at a time is called what? It's called what? Multi-threading. Right? So guys, in multi-threading, what? Each and every what? Thread is a what? Is a separate independent part of the what? Same application. Like car 1, car 2, car 3, car 4, right? Right guys? So this thing is a very important, right? So guys, so till now what we have discussed, that all about thread, what is multitasking and what is multi-threading. So guys, now question arises, right? So practically Amit, how to create a thread, right? Now my question arises, right? So Amit, how to create a thread, right? How to create a thread, right? The question is what? how to create a thread. Correct? How to create thread? Yes or no? How to create thread? The question may as obviously it should be as this question. Obviously the question should be as how to create thread. So guys, thread is nothing but it is a user defined process, right? Thread is nothing, it is user defined process. You can write here also what thread is nothing. Thread is nothing. It is what? It is what? User defined process, right? Thread is guys, thread is nothing, it is user defined process, right guys? So guys, one thing also I will let you know here. So suppose I created my process. I would like to start my own process, right? I created my process, so I would like to start my own process. So the lightweight process means what? A small task. Lightweight process means guys a small task. What? Also for understanding purpose I can write here. So lightweight process means what? Might be so many candidates may confuse what lightweight. So lightweight what? Process means what? A small task guys, nothing. Small task only guys. Don't confuse. If anybody is explaining what lightweight process means, what? It's a small task only, nothing. So guys, so lightweight process is called a thread. We know very well, right? So lightweight process is called a thread. Then you may question, right? Hi Amit, how to create your own thread, and we are having two approaches for that guy. Definitely you may ask the question how we are going to create our own thread. So guys, we are having a two approach to create a thread. What? We have two approach to create a thread. What guys? We have two approach to create thread. We have what? We have two approach here. We have two approach to create what? Thread. Create a thread. So what all those two approach I will explain now guys. Be concentrated. It's important now guys. So as per your implementation or knowledge or interview point of view, it's important. So sometimes interview may ask, hey, how many ways are there to create a thread? So we have two approach guys to create a thread. First way guys, to extending what? To extending our class with our class from what? Thread class, right? Correct? To extending our class from thread class. That is a first approach. That is our first approach. Then guys, second thing. What? Second thing guys, our class implementing with runnable interface. Our class should be what? Implement with what? Runnable what guys? Interface, right? Our class should be implemented with what? Runnable interface. So guys, first is our extending our class from thread class, and second guys, our class should be implemented with runnable interface. So guys, these are the two approach, right? These are the two approach guys, right? These are the two approach we need to follow if we need what, create the thread, right? If we are going to create thread, this thing we need to follow. So what the things? So first approach, to extending our class from the thread class. Second, our class should be implemented with runnable interface. So guys, these two class are present in which package, guys? These two class are available in these two are not class. This is one are the interface, one are the class. One are the interface, one are the class. So these two things are present in which package, guys? So guys, by default in Java we have java.lang package, right? So these two are available in the java.lang package, correct, guys? So guys, you know, right? So default package in Java, right? You should know, right? What is the default package in Java, guys? Java.lang package. So in java.lang package, these two things are available. So guys, default package means what? You are importing or not. By default, what? By default, package will be available in your class. Okay? By default, package means what? You are importing or not. By default, package will be available in your class. Correct, guys? So guys, keep in mind one thing also. This interview may ask the question in the interview time, right? So default package in Java, java.lang package. What? Default package in Java means java.lang package. Default modifier in Java, default, you know, right? The root class of all Java class. The root class of all Java class. What class, guys? Object class, right? Right? So that is common important question, guys. That is common important question. Maybe interview may ask such a question. So default package in Java, java.lang package. Default modifier, default. Root class of all Java class, that is object class. Good. So guys, so before discussing multi-threading, I will discuss first single thread model with example. What? I will explain first single thread model. Then we'll jump into the multi-threading model, guys. So now I will start first single thread model concept with our IDE. Single thread model means, guys, the application will have only one thread, right? The name itself, it's talk about single means what? One means mono means one. So single thread model means the application will have only one thread, right? So get the purpose, this I'm going to start my ID. I have started my ID. So guys, this is our new series, right? So that's why I'm going to create one new package with the name of multi-threading. Okay, package com.app.java-mind.multithreading. Okay, Java means what? com.app.java-mind.multithreading, right? This is our new package, right? In this package, guys, so I'm going to start first application. So that's why I'm going to get one class, right? So guys, the class name is what? Multi-threading example first, right? This is our first example in the multi-threading, right? Multi-threading example first. Create main method, finish, right? Okay. So with that, guys, we have created one what? Class. The class name is multi-threading example first. Great, guys. So our main motto is what? So single thread model, right? So we will have only one thread. So guys, just see here, I'm writing here sysout, right? Sysout. If you can write here single model, right? And if you are going to copy same line of code multiple times, okay. So guys, see, I have written here what? Same print operation in multiple time, right? So execution, guys, will start always from which method, guys? Execution will start always from which method, guys? Main method only, right? This is our main method, right? So execution will start always on our main method only, right? So what we can say here? So guys, this place main method started, right? Main thread started, right? Main thread started, right? Main thread started. Good. Main thread started. So guys, this one main thread executing, right? This is a main thread executing. Yes or no? Executing. Main thread executing. Good. And guys, this place main thread ended, right? Main thread ended. Yes or no? Guys, tell me. Guys, tell me one thing. So whenever execution start from main method, so one thread is started automatically. Yes or no? Whenever execution start from main method, one thread is started automatically, and thread is called main thread, and that thread is called main thread, right? Right. So can I run the application? See guys, how many times is single thread coming? Single modal thread. So 5 times we have written, right? So 5 is coming. So guys, always keep in mind, if application contain only one thread, then we get exact output. What I have told? If application contain only one thread, then we get what? Exact output. Here, how many times data will printed? 5 times, right? Yes or no? That is exact output. Why? Because we have single thread, only main thread, right? So this called, guys, single thread model. This is called single what? Thread model. So if we have only one thread, that means our what? Output will be coming exactly. Okay? So guys, this is our single model thread. In next example, I will jump into the multi-threading level. So if you have more than one thread, then how our output is showing, how our output is coming, that discussion I will bring in next class. So guys, as of now, this is our what? Complete overview of multi-threading. So what is thread? What is multitasking? Example with our what? Multi-threading, right? And how multitasking is similar as the what? Multi-threading. Okay? So all the point what I have mentioned here already I have discussed. Now what is single modal thread with example, already I have shown you this thing as well. Great. So guys, with that our all the point is covered here, right? So in next video I will explain about the multi-threading concept, how we are going to create thread, right? With our extending our class from the thread class, how we are going to implement, so how we are going to what? Going to use the our runnable interface, implementing with our class, right? So all the things will explain in coming video. So guys, that's it as of now. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe among your friends. So this is the first video of multi-threading. I will bring so many videos related to the multi-threading concept only in coming video, guys. Thank you guys, take care, bye bye. We'll meet in next video very soon.